Welcome to St. Michael's Academy Betia's e-learning class of English Grammar class 4. So today we are going to do chapter 10 conjunctions. What is a conjunction? Conjunction is to joins or hooks together group of words and sentences. Conjunction is always used to join words or a group of words together. So here are some common conjunctions. So commonly used conjunctions are and, but, or, so, because, unless, otherwise, yet, while, that, since, if. So there are many conjunctions. So some of them we will see in this video. So the first one is and. You can see in the picture examples. Joseph ate a hot dog. Joseph ate French fries. So both the sentences are giving the similar ideas. So now how we will write it? Joseph ate a hot dog and French fries. So here you can see that and joined the similar ideas together. Now we will see the next example. Sarah went to the park. Sarah met her friend Michelle. Now how we will write it? Because both the sentences have a similar idea. We will write Sarah went to the park and met her friend Michelle. Now we will see the next one. Now next one is he is hungry, he is tired. So both the sentences have the similar idea. Now how we will write it? He is hungry and tired. Now the next one is but. You can see in the picture, he wanted to buy a game. He didn't have any money. So here but joins the two opposite ideas together. So you can see in the sentence the ideas are opposites. Now how we will write it? He wanted to buy a game but he didn't have any money. So you can see in the picture that but joins the two opposite ideas together. Not the similar but the opposite. Next sentence, he wanted to go to school. He was sick. So how we will write it? He wanted to go to school but he was sick. So you can see these have the opposites ideas. He wanted to go to school but at the same time he was sick. Both the sentences are opposites. Next one, she wants to do her homework, she forgets what to do. So we will put but there. She wants to do her homework but she forgets what to do. So the next one is so. It was raining, we brought an umbrella. So here shows that the second idea is a result of the first. It shows us the result of the first one. It was raining, we brought an umbrella. So how we'll write? It was raining, so we brought an umbrella. So here it shows that the second idea is the result of the first. So it was raining, that's why he had taken the umbrella. So we brought an umbrella is the result of the first one. He likes baseball, he joined the team. Now how we will write it? He likes baseball, so he joined the team. So it shows the result of the first one. He likes the baseball, that's why he joined the team. Next example, they like swimming in the ocean, they went to the beach. They like swimming in the ocean, so they went to the beach. Next one is or. It shows a choice between two or more options. Coffee or tea, right or wrong. we can go to the movies, we can stay at home. So how we will write? We can go to the movies or stay at home. So there are two options. Either we can go to movie or we can stay at home. So there are two options. That's why we have put or there. Now next one. Should I have my bath or should I have my dinner? How we will write it? Should I have my bath or dinner? So there are two options. Either I can take bath or either I can take dinner. So there are two options mentioned there. So that's why I have put or there. Now next one is as. It shows the two events happening at the same time. I saw my sister, I was leaving. So both the events having at the same time. So we will write I saw my sister as I was leaving. I was playing the piano, my mother was cooking. So how we will write both the events happening at the same time? I was playing the piano as my mother was cooking. Next one is then. It shows that the second idea or action happens after the first. I finished my homework, I cleaned my room. So how will write it? I finished my homework, then cleaned my room. So here you can see that the second idea or the action happens after the first idea. You can also write it, I finished my homework and cleaned my room. I hope you understood the chapter 10 conjunctions. The next video will be of the bookwork of this chapter. Thank you.